Hello. It's meant to rain today, so I thought I would put on my Harry Potter sweater and we could have a readathon. The books I will be reading today are the audiobook My Dark Vanessa, as well as the novel The Winds of War, and then I might pick up a shorter one to try to finish today for the Asian readathon. So that's the plan. I'm really excited for it to rain. That is 100% my favorite weather of all time. So we'll see if it happens. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm about 40% through My Dark Vanessa, and it's incredibly disturbing. So if you don't know, My Dark Vanessa follows a girl named Vanessa, and she is in high school, and she has a relationship with her English teacher, and it is obviously a huge age gap relationship, and on top of that, she's underage. So it's kind of scandalous, and it's very well written in terms of I can really tell how he's manipulating her and like the subtle things he does to manipulate her. And this book takes place in 2000 and 2001 and also in 2017 in the heart of the Me Too movement. So it's really powerful. I think it's really well written. Stephen King called it like a package of dynamite, and I would say it's definitely that. But it is hard to read, so I'm gonna put it down for a little. I think I'm gonna read either The Winds of War or, yeah, probably The Winds of War. I might start a new book because I'm getting tired of reading. I've been reading a lot of dark themes lately, sexual violence, and then The Winds of War is obviously about World War II. Just hailed big time, and I hope that all the birds are safe. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go back to reading, and at 3 p.m. I'm going to make some gluten-free cookies. One of my favorite parts about the novel To All the Boys I've Loved Before is there are cookie recipes in the back, and if I just substitute gluten-free flour for regular flour and then monk fruit for sugar, I can make the cookies. So I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cranberry cookies for this lovely rainy reading day. I'm officially a junior in high school, and that is weird. High school has gone by really fast. I felt like middle school was this persistent dragging on of time, and it was a time that I wanted to end, but when I'm enjoying my time, it seems to go by faster. And of course, that's a cliche, but it is true. I'm realizing that I have so many friends that were seniors this year, and I might not see them ever again in my life, and that's really sad because I never got an opportunity to say goodbye to them. So this experience is making me feel a lot more grateful for the people in my life, and I want to let them know when we get back to school. I want to let the new seniors and the people in my grade and the people below how much they mean to me and how much I value their tiny little chapter in my life. Also, I made it into a higher choir. I am in chambers next year, so hopefully senior year I'll audition for jazz, and I can't wait. Jazz is my favorite kind of music, so. So I just finished my yoga flow, and I was gonna bake cookies at 3, but now it's 3:13, and that makes it so that I have to put it off now. So I'm just going to, I think, I might wash my face, I might not, I might do a face mask, I might not, but I'm definitely going to finish a novel that I don't have over here, but that novel is Inside Out and Back Again. I read this like in the 4th grade, I think, for Battle of the Books, and I remember it being stunning, and it's not disappointing so far, so back to that we go. Okay, so I'm on page 145 of Inside Out and Back Again. And it is lovely. It is really beautifully written. I think it's a good example of how poetry can be used to help engage a story. So I'm going to read till page 200, and then I'm going to go bake cookies, and then I'll read some more, and then I'll have dinner, and then I'll either read or watch a movie or edit. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Okay, so I just finished Inside Out and Back Again by Tanya Lai, and it was so good. I really, really, really love this book. It deals with a lot of heavy topics such as genocide and cultural assimilation. It deals with bullying in school. It deals with learning to be proud of your culture and heritage, and I just found it really, really touching. So now I'm going to go bake some cookies before dinner, and it's raining again, so that makes me happy. And yeah, it's cookie time. So dinner's done, cookies are done, I read a lot today, and I think I'm going to unwind by watching some Gilmore Girls. I'm feeling like Stars Hollow right now. I think I could use some of Suki's good cooking, and yeah, that show makes me happy. So that's what I'm going to go watch. But thank you all for hanging out with me today. It was so much fun. It was a wonderful, rainy sort of day, which is the best kind, really. And yeah, I'm so happy that this is the way we got to kick off summer, and I hope you're all well, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.